I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team. In this video we're going to go over some pixel perfect tips. Gallery. Gallery is an element where you can display multiple pictures in a gallery style. What you might not know is that certain galleries allow you to add hyperlinks and descriptions. For example, the basic image gallery only allows you to add some title text. So if I type the text in here and I hit preview, you can see the text when I hover over it. Now that's the only thing you can add in the image gallery. But if you come down to the hover gallery and do the same thing, go into edit and then images, you can see that you can add an action as well. So you can have the image title that appears when you hover over it, and then you can have an action when you click on it. So you can choose to zoom in on the image, or you can add your own hyperlink URL. So this is really good if you want to direct users to products. For example, if you're an Amazon affiliate, you could have different Amazon items in the gallery, and then once someone clicks on it, they go straight to your Amazon affiliate link. So the hyperlink is available in the hover gallery, the image slides, the image full screen, and the carousel. And on the image slides and slide full screen, there's also another option. You can also add a description to the bottom of your images. So if we come into images again and click edit, you can see there's the title, there's the description which will appear, and there's also the action as well. Image slides are a great element to put underneath your invisible banners to make it look like a sliding image banner. So you can make it take up the full width and then put your invisible banner over the top, and then your background changes behind the invisible banner with the time that you set. So to make it change faster or slower, you come back into configuration, then you can set the duration and the delay. So in this video we went over some pixel perfect tips. Gallery.